What's up, guys? Today I got a pretty neat video. I know a lot of us look for easier ways to work, especially inside a vehicle, or we like to have a compact case that we can throw in a vehicle when we go on small road trips or just day-to-day use. One of the cool things that I found is this Wera Tool Check. In this video, I'll show you what makes it unique and why you may want to purchase one of these also. So you guys, stick around because this thing is cool. Guys, like I mentioned in the intro, this is the Wera Tool Check, and it comes as a cool little kit that's like this, that has a bunch of different bits, sockets, a handle, and a ratchet, along with a bit driver. As you can see, a very compact case, and I'll show you what's cool about it. First, let me explain kind of why I have this and kind of what I use it for, and that way you guys will kind of understand a little bit better. I started out with this case, is the Wera set, and inside it's got all the different little bits and Torx, Allen, Phillips, Robertson drives, all of that, and a small ratchet. I really like this set, but many times I would depend on having that set in my pocket and wished I would have grabbed a set that was able to have some sockets with it, or even a screwdriver handle. I use this truck quite a bit when doing installs on GPSs, cell phone antennas, stuff like that. And a lot of times we do it in yard trucks, and there's different fasteners that we have to use that's on the dash plates of those. That case really allows me to do a lot of the stuff that I need to without having to go back to the truck and grab a different tool kit or wag around a big tool bag. But like I say, a lot of times I've used that in situations where I needed a 10 millimeter or whatever to take out a different bolt that may have been put in there other than the factory bolts. So I started looking at some other options, and when I found the Wera Tool Check Plus kit here, I said, man, that is going to fit my needs perfectly. The cool thing is, like I say, a lot of times you'll need a screwdriver instead of using the ratchet bit just because it's easier to get in places. And the way this is designed, super compact, nothing's going to fall out, and it's easy to see if anything's missing. You simply pop this up, and the screwdriver handle comes out, and you can see it's got the bit adapter inside, so you can put some of the bits in it. Same way with the ratchet, it's got this little lock. You slide it back, take the ratchet out, and you can get to the ratchet. It is a reversible ratchet. It has 6 degrees of arc swing, and it's a pretty smooth little ratchet. Go the other way. But I like the handle that's on the ratchet. It feels good in your hand. Put it back in there. You lock the top back over. There's no way it can fall out. The bit driver has a positive lock that friction holds it in there. You pull it out. And like any other bit adapter, that's got the lock on it, this one you push forward to unlock or lock it. It's a pretty nice little addition that you can have. And it comes with the sockets, and it runs from a 5.5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 12, and a 13. As you can see, it is the satin finish. They're color coded, and it is a 6-point design. Very nice sockets. They are extremely friction fit on the holder, so they're designed not to fall off. But you can see they have the knurling around the edge that allow you to turn them once it's on the bit ratchet and be able to, get it out quicker than actually having to ratchet the entire bolt out. But it's a very nice set. So now let's talk about some of the bits that are included in it. To open the bit kit, you simply push up on the Wera logo and it pops out. As you can see, it's got 2 rows, and we'll cover the bit sizes that are in those. And they lock in with friction in each one of the holders. But I'll cover some of the bits, and that way you guys will know everything that's in the kit. All right, it covers the wide variety of slotted Phillips Posi-Drive Torx, security Torx, and hex bits. It's got Phillips 1, 2, and 3, Posi-Drive 1, 2, and 3, Torx T10, T15, T20, T25, T30, and T40. Security Torx, it covers T10, T15, T20, T25, and T30. Metric hex is 3 millimeter, 4 millimeter, 5, 6, 8, and a 5.5 millimeter slotted. I really like this kit. I think it's going to come in extremely handy, especially doing some of the installs or some of the dash work that we do on a lot of these yard mule trucks, especially like the Ottawas or, you know, that style of truck, because a lot of times those fasteners will get lost and they'll put in different fasteners. So you bank on it to be, say, a Torx bit. Well, it's liable to be an Allen. Who really knows? Plus, there's all kind of different mounts that we run across, from round mounts, you know, the different styles of round mounts and different kind of mounting systems that we use to do these installs that have all kind of different fasteners. But the ability to have one kit with the sockets is going to pay off to be invaluable. You know, I'm a fan of Wera. I really like the, you know, the screwdriver design handle that they have. I've got a set of the screwdrivers that I really am fond of, and I think that Wera makes an extremely awesome product. I like the satin finish that's on it. I think it's going to be holding up extremely durable over a long time use, and I feel like it's a quality product. This can be found on KC Tools website if you're interested in this. I'm sure there's other retailers that sell it, but they have several different kits to fit your needs. So just check them out at www.kctoolco, which is kctoolco.com, and take a look at what they have. They have several different kits. You know, if you need more Torx and hex, they've got those sets available also. But just take a look at them, because I think it's super handy to have even in your glove box or your vehicle. You know, if you're just going to town, maybe you got a loose battery cable, you know, you can never have too many tools at hand, especially when you're needing to work on stuff and you don't have them, you know, and this kit allows for a lot of tools to be put in a very small space. But anyway, guys, I just wanted to show you that and kind of explain some of the uses, why the reason I got that, and I think it's going to be a valuable piece of, you know, equipment to have in any toolbox, especially for no more room than it takes up. It does come with a clip that's on the back side, so you could clip it to your visor or the side of your tool bag or whatever. You know, they really put a lot of thought into the entire system, the way it's set up, and the ease of use, easy to access, and it locks in securely. But that's the video this week, guys. Hopefully y'all like it. Check them out at KC Tool. Like always, thanks for watching. Check the links in the description. Hit that thumbs up. Click that subscribe button. Y'all have a great week, and we will catch y'all next time.